What are the policy issues that affect black communities most in this city? That's what leaders and thinkers will come together to explore this weekend. The first ever Toronto Black Policy Conference will be hosted at the Monk School of Global Affairs on Saturday. Earlier today, I spoke to two of the organizers about what changes they hope to see in our city.
Well, the city of Toronto has the largest black population in the country, and so we thought that it'd be very important to have a city-wide conference, not just keeping it exclusive to the Monk School, for example, or any particular school, but having a city-wide platform where we can discuss these issues throughout the city with the black community as well as our allies. And specifically because of the fact that there's the largest number here, and there's a lot of issues particularly that are sort of exclusive and unique to the black community in the city.
And just to add to Eunice's response as well, you find a lot of black-focused conferences and summits that take place across the country that are at the national level, but we really wanted to have a Toronto or city-focused event as well, because at the city level, policies are more integrated with communities.
And this is the first ever conference, so why are we doing it now? It's just time? We should have been doing it a long time ago?
Yes, we should have been doing it a long time ago. However, I think the timing is just perfect because we've all graduated from a great program at the Monk School, and we saw the opportunity, we brought it to the city, and they jumped on board right away. So I think the timing was just really aligned, and like we love to say, it was just really meant to happen at this time. So
I'm a fan of the Monk debates, a fan of the Monk School. Why talk about the specific issues you guys are going to be discussing this weekend?
So amongst the roster of topics, we have innovations in mental health. I guess I should preface by saying the theme of the conference is Black inclusion and innovation. So all of the topics that we'll be exploring sort of touch on innovation and how Black communities can or are involved in those discussions. So we'll also be looking at the future of work for Toronto's Black communities. We'll be looking at political activism and innovation in those spaces, as well as the arts and how innovations happen there and Black communities' involvements in that as well.
We talk about policy a lot, but let's talk about action now. Is the goal, I guess, to actually affect change in the city?
Yes.
By talking about these things? And how do you plan to do that then?
So one of the main goals with our conference is really to unite everyone. It's a networking opportunity, a knowledge sharing opportunity, and we feel that by having a conversation first, you can then ensure that the action takes place. And so one of our main goals is really to connect the various groups and leadership positions that are available in the city for Black community members, just to get involved and to speak to each other and find out what each other is doing and keep that conversation going and that action going.
Yeah, and on the ground level as well, we hope to also produce a report that can provide a way to offer those tangible solutions or ways to address the issues that are affecting people in Toronto's Black communities. So it's not just about having the platform to have the discussion, which is definitely one of the goals, but it's also to have those tangible results that we can then present to decision makers to say, hey, these are the sort of objectives that we've met, and this is the data that we've gathered, and this is how we can address the issues that are affecting Toronto's Black communities.
It's a great idea, and good luck this weekend. Hopefully this will be a first of many.
Yes, hopefully. Definitely. Thank you very much.